Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the Ron Williams YouTube channel. Today I'm going to put together a 1-minute snack. Now, in putting this together, I have a list of foods lined up in my refrigerator. And so as I'm driving down the street, I'm smelling, all of these crazy foods, the McDonald's and French fries and that oily, greasy stuff. I can smell it. And I'm coming home and I need to find something really quick to eat. So, these foods I have lined up in the refrigerator, I'm thinking in my head, I've got this, I've got this, I've got this. What can I put together really, really fast that will be contingent of a meal and be able to be here less than 5 minutes that I could put together in 60 seconds? I'm going to give it a try. Okay, let me think through my mind first. I'm driving down the street. Okay, I've got this in the refrigerator. I've got this in the refrigerator. I think I can do it, guys. Are you ready? Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I had a horrible thought just crossed my mind. What if I was going so fast that I dropped one of the dishes and broke the dishes? That would be horrible. Let me rethink this again. 60 seconds is all I get. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we Guys, this is not like a competition or anything. You know how I hate to lose? 60 seconds is it. Ready? Go! Okay, 1, 2, shut the refrigerator. Okay, I hate that. I almost tore that off. Never done this before, but I'm gonna put both of these on the same, in the microwave at the same time. See how that works out for me? Come on, start. Okay, now I have, let me grab some water. That's probably about 25, 26 seconds. Come on, water. Okay, I got my water. Okay, here we go. Gotta get my minerals. Where are you? Right there. Okay, good. Got my minerals. 30 seconds are up. Good. How many seconds was that, guys? I think I did it. Now I want you to look at this. I have a stack of soup in the refrigerator. These are just skewers with chicken on it. And normally you get these at Costco and have them put on a plate, 6 or 7 of them. So periodically through the day, through the week, I can just run in and grab something. That was pretty quick, guys. If it wasn't 45 seconds, maybe 60, you counted, let me know. God bless you guys. Until next time.